Hi, I am Anupam. I am the designer of this Garg Tactile geometry kit. So this is the second part of the video in which actually I will tell you how to use the different components. The first part of the video I have told you about the components and their features. So I will start with the slate, how to put a paper in a slate. So what you have to do is take a slate, put the clamp up, you have to just slide the paper onto that till it hits. Make the arrangements, just put the things and just press that and just hold the whole thing. And the second part, actually I will tell you that okay, I will start putting, now I will tell you how to put the lines and points. So first thing I will just tell you how to place a point. Say this is the point which I have placed. How to put a marking of point? Just go there, feel the point, and the center of this two fingers in the center of this point, you just try to put that and just put this, and then there will be a marking done. The only thing you have to ensure that okay, that you are not pricking your own fingers. So typically you are supposed to actually marking on the side of that fingers to do that. If you want to draw a line, and how do I do that ruler? What I have to do is that I'll just take a ruler. Say actually I want to draw a line of say line segment of 10 centimeters. So what I have to do is that I'll just put that, look at the markings. So you have this marking of 5, and it's the bigger one is another 5, and then the bigger one is another 5. So this is 10 centimeters. So you have to just do that. You just push the whole thing and push it into that 10 centimeter line, and that is where actually the whole thing works. So you have now marking available. One thing is on 0, one thing on 10, and you will just go and break it. This is the part of line segments which works. How to draw the line segment? Just use this line marker. Place the line marker over the 2 points, two pins. Now it's there. Just holds it. Put it back on the paper. Use the stylus, and I said that okay, that you have to use the stylus like this. From one point to another point, you can just see that, and just you do that, and the marking is done. So now I can tell you how to draw a circle. So as circle is concerned, I have taken a circle of 5 centimeters. I'll just put that onto this marking. This is a hole in the center which will just fit into the point marker. So I have put this whole thing available. Place that, feel the whole thing. Again, use the stylus as a stencil, and you can just go on doing it. You can also actually, if you want, you can always move your slate if you want, and you are more comfortable with that to draw the circle. So you will see that okay, circle of 5 centimeters is drawn. How to use a multi-arc? Multi-arc also can be used to draw arc, or you can draw a circle also, because it can always move. So I'm just trying to put another, say an arc of say 7.5 centimeters. The outer arc is 7.5 centimeters. You can see that you will see that actually the braille numbering here, which tells that okay 7.5. Put that. I'll place it. I will use this again. I will just make a feel of things. After that, I will show you how to mark the intersection points. So I'll just mark the intersection points of say these 2 intersection points, or say the top intersection point. Let me just mark that. What I will do is that I will use the pin. I will place the pin, and you have to just put the marker, put your finger onto that intersection that a blind person can always see, and feel that okay, that where that actually the pin is coming. This is the point actually that the marking has been done. So that way actually the third pin is also placed on the intersection point. I moved it using the 2 fingers and moved the things to the pins to align that. So once that is there, I can even draw a complete triangle. So what I will do is that I will again use the line markers. And see that now there is a triangle which has been made, which has a side 10 centimeter length. This is a 5 centimeter, and this is 7.5 centimeter. If you want to measure the distances, you can use it with a normal ruler. What you have to do is that you can just place that one pin onto the 0, and that after that you can just place that scale and ruler to see that okay, what is the length. So if I use this, you can always see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is a 5 centimeter. Similarly, I can do that, and using this, you can see that okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5. That is the way actually you can always measure the distance also. In the last, I will just try to show you how you can erase the things. Say actually I want to erase the extra part of this. What you have to do is that you can just have to use this and just erase that. You can just feel that and you can just erase this, and you will see that okay, that when a person actually will see that will find that okay, that this is being erased. Now I will show you how to use the protector. So I have this line available. So I want to really create say angle of 40 degree using protector. So what I will do is that I'll just place the protector on the center, and that the line normally, this zero base line normally goes and holds the other pin. So now this creates a zero line there, and now I have to really place the 40 degree angle. So I'll just I have to do is that I'll just place the second line on this point and start now marking. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40. So what I will do is that I will just place the things over this 40, just grip it, and after that just I have to do is that I'll just draw this line. This is a line, this is the 40 degree line. Now I will tell you how to draw an angle using the set square frames. So I will draw a line of 30 degree angle on this. So I'll just draw this. I'll mark the point here, place the whole thing. I think I have to just do. This is the 30 degree line. You can even measure if you want. Measure any angle. Say I want to just measure the other angle which is drawn. So what I have to do is that first I have to place a point here. So I'll just put a point marker, see into the point marker into the particular line, and then after that I'll place the center point on this. Place a line here, and see where, and we have to just count. You have to just place and you just count 10, 20, 30. So you know that okay, that it is marked on 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Now I will tell you how to use the divider. Assuming that okay, that yes, we want to really copy this distance using divider. So what I will do is that I have one pin already there. I will put another pin onto the intersection just to show that okay, that where it is. So there's been put that. Now I will use the divider. So now this divider has been adjusted. Frame onto this point. After that, actually, I will just put that another one. So what I will do is that I will just take another pin, put into the divider, and see that okay, that where it fits into this thing. So I am actually moving this divider, and that way, actually, I am adjusting this. this is another point which is there. If you want, you can just, so this is the way actually you can use the divider to copy a distance. Finally, I am going to tell you how to use the labeler. So what you have to do is that you have this labeler available. So say that okay, you want to write A below this point or below this point. So what I will do is that I will just place that bottom labeler here and just mark it somewhere. Use the pen. A, or in case you want to write B also, you can write B. So that way actually you will see that there is a marking which is done, which says that there is a labeling available, that is a line A, B.